Okay, so we're gonna put Sweetie into the water, but she doesn't like it.
Hold on, we have to come over here.
Aki boy likes it. Come on, Aki. Let's go. Yes. Aki likes it. Was this pretty deep?
Didn't even go in.
Hi, Rock. Come on, baby. You can walk in that.
You can walk in it. You can get Jennifer off.
You're such a good boy.
I love you, Rocky boy. Rocky boy.
You're supposed to walk through the puddle.
Keep pulling the dog over it, doing pretty cool jumps. Yeah.
Oh, look at him. Look at him. They're money his head. Nice try. Going in.
See, Rocky's a cool G. We could go down by the river if you want.
What? Wanna?
Not that part right there, but love the Green Day shirt.